What's up, YouTube? Just back from Clarksville, the home lake. 463, not the greatest way in, but it's Sunday, day after tournament. Just got back. My boat is disgusting, so gonna get it cleaned up real quick, put it up, and kind of what I do when I get back from a tournament, because we all know we got another tournament in a month, so we got to get ready for that tournament as well. So my secret bug or boat concoction, not really secret, I got it from Brian Latimer, so shout out to him. 3 parts, 3 ingredients. It is vinegar, white vinegar, Dawn dish soap, whatever color. I had some blue, so it's blue, and peroxide. I know the peroxide's probably been a little bit hard to come by this year, but you should be able to get it now, and it is about, probably got $3 in this, maybe 5. But versus buying some of those other products that are out to make your boat clean, this does a great job. So here's what I do. I'll spray this on, I'll let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and scrub everything down. But right now, gotta get this thing clean, so follow along and enjoy. Y'all can be real nice. It's great. You just need to get all that foot foam off. Everybody knows how hard it is to get that stuff clean. This stuff, it is never let me down. And I bought that other boat cleaning stuff before, but for the money, bottle's empty, boat's clean, 30 minutes. Now, something I do and I love is I have a foam cannon, a little electric pressure washer. This thing is absolutely imperative. A little bit easier, cleaner, probably better for the paint on your stuff, because you don't want to, scratch your gel coat or clear coat on a car. This thing works super easy, and I mean, who doesn't like a foam cannon? And I picked mine up off of eBay. I mean, it's nothing super extravagant. It helps when I get it. Or I said eBay. Amazon, I think it's like $20. A little electric pressure washer I picked up. And what I do before I get started, stretch this hose out. Because if you don't, it's going to be a disaster. Anybody who's used a pressure washer, they know what fun it's not. So I've let this stuff sit for about 30 minutes. So what I do now is cut the pressure washer on, spray everything down, and get to scrubbing. So let's get this guy clean. So it's clean, and it'll be ready for Lanier. Now we clean the wheels. Since I've got aluminum wheels, LiQWYD clean the tires, and aluminum wheel cleaner, or some type of good wheel cleaner. .14s, but they're clean. Now we got to get the other side. Then for the last and final thing, you don't have to do this, but I do it because I don't want water spots. Dry your boat, your cars. I use an absorber, get it wet one time, and then it does what it says, absorbs the water. I'm gonna be waxing it later this week, weather permitting. So, not gonna put anything on it right now. Well, that is a wrap. Looks clean. I'll let it dry overnight, put the cover back on it, and then pull all the rods back out. And then we'll be starting to get ready for Lanier. So, see y'all at the next one.